Hello, 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 friends! Are you ready for something amazing? This is not a normal backpack. This is a magic backpack. Inside this backpack are ideas. Big ideas, funny ideas, surprising ideas. Let's open it. Pop. Wow, a thinking light. When it turns on, your brain goes ding, ding, ding. What would you invent if you had a thinking light? Next inside the backpack? It's the imagination button. Press it once and whoosh. You can imagine flying, building, or exploring. Press it with me. 3, 2, 1, press. Oh, this one is special. It's a kindness card. When you use it, you help someone smile. You can share, you can help, you can say kind words. Guess what, friends? You don't need a magic backpack because you already have ideas, imagination, and kindness inside you. If you liked the magic backpack, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more magic stories. And remember, your ideas can change the world. Bye-bye, friends.
Smart kids, let's go!